everyone, welcome back to page Multimedia Array. My name is Kun. Today I'm gonna continue to teach you lesson 14, Baby Moses. And we will be learning 6 vocabulary words. Are you ready? Let's get started. So the first word is ugly. Ugly. Spell U-G-L-Y. Ugly. Example: I wasn't ugly, but I don't consider myself beautiful. Ugly. And the second word is kind. Kind. Spell K-I-N-D. Kind. Example: he is a kind man. He is a kind man. Kind. And word number 3 is nice. Nice. Spell N-I-C-E. Nice. Example: it's nice to hear you laugh. It's nice to hear you laugh. Nice. Friendly. Friendly. Spell F-R-I-E-N-D-L-Y. Friendly. Example: they were friendly to me. They were friendly to me. Friendly. And the next word is shy. Shy. Spell S-H-Y. Shy. Example: she was pretty shy at school. She was pretty shy at school. Shy. And the last word is helpful. Helpful. Spell H-E-L-P-F-U-L. Helpful. For example: people are friendly and helpful. People are friendly and helpful. Helpful. Again, can you please repeat after me? Thank you. Ugly. Ugly. Kind. Kind. Nice. Nice. Friendly. Friendly. Shy. Shy. Helpful. Helpful. Great job. Thank you so much everyone for your timing to watching this video. And don't forget to pick up all of these 6 words to create the sentences by yourself. And then please go into my comments and I'll help you to correct all your sentences. If your sentences is good, I will give you a thumb up, but it is not yet, I'll help you to correct it. And one more thing, if you want to learn with the full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, you can go into YouTube link and click above or below. Thank you so much for your learning English with me today. And see you next time in the next video. Bye. God bless.